Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your computer's default language. First, open your computer's settings. You can usually find this by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. Once in Settings, look for Time and Language or Region and Language. Then, click on the Language tab to proceed. This is your starting point for customizing your system's display language. Now, to add a new language, click the Add a Language button. You'll see a comprehensive list of many languages, often over 100 options from around the world. Browse or use the search bar to find your preferred language. Once found, select it and choose any specific regional variants if applicable, like English United States versus English United Kingdom. This step prepares your system for the new language. With your new language added, it's time to make it your default. Select the newly added language from the list. Then, click Set as Default or use the Move Up arrow to place it at the top of your language preferences. Your system might also prompt you to download and install a language pack, which is crucial for full functionality. This ensures all system elements display correctly. Finally, to fully apply these changes, you must restart your computer. This allows the system to load all components in your newly selected default language. After restarting, log back in and confirm that your computer's interface, menus, and applications are now displayed in your chosen language. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your computer's language settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.